Okay, so you've been watching me bale with my old dinosaur of a Hesston round baler here. This is an old 5500. This thing's probably almost as old as me. I'd say it's about 40 years old. I've had it for 11 years. I bought it at a farm auction. It had brand new belts on it and some new bearings in it. I think I paid $800 for it, and I've rolled probably 1,500 bales with it in the 11 years I've had it. I don't do a lot of round bales. Yeah, as you can see, it shows its age and its wear, and there's shields missing. The only thing I've ever had to do with it parts-wise is put some knives on the twine cutoff once in a while. Now, as you could see in the video before, my twine tying arm, the electric actuator on there is giving me some trouble, so I have to figure out what that is. And probably going to have to put a couple new bearings in it soon. Would I like to replace this with something with net wrap that has the monitors, auto tie and all that? Sure, I would, but for baling, you know, 80 to 100 bales a year, can I pay for it? No. So this old thing's gonna have to do as long as I keep doing round bales. As you can see here, I'm almost done with this field. And you might also wonder, why am I not making these a full 5 foot? Well, the customer that wants this has bunk feeders that they put these things in inside their barn for their animals, and this is the diameter that they have to be. Any bigger than this, they don't fit. So that's why I'm not making them a full 5 foot. Another thing about where I'm working here, this is one of the few places I know of where if you look around here, you can't see anybody else's house from the field. Most places I work, you can see a house. Used to be like this everywhere when I was a kid, but not anymore. Oh well. So that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.